I would ask that you would join hands and we would get on with the business of beginning this new life together. And we'll start with Philip as the head of the home. Do you, Philip, take Rebecca to be your wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better and for worse, for richer and poorer, in sickness or in health, to love and to cherish, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
That's the right answer. Do you, Rebecca, take Philip to be your wedded husband, to have and hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness, in health, to love and cherish, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
May we have the rings? The rings, as you've probably also heard, are a symbol. They're a symbol of love, and they're a marker to the world. But I'm taken, and someone has already stolen my heart. More than that, it's a promise to each other, that when you look down, you remember today, and it's a marker that before today you didn't have. And then after today, every time you look down, you'll see. And my hope and my prayer for you is that the ring will be more than adornment, it will be more than jewelry, that it will be something that years from now, as you look, as you're washing dishes, you're petting the dog, you're throwing catch with your son, that you'll see the ring and it will remind you of this day, or the way you feel right now, of the onlookers who are admiringly watching your lives become one, that the rings will be milestones and a place of remembrance. And so, Philip first. Philip, repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love
as a symbol of my love
and a sign of my promise.
and a sign of my promise.
And now, Philip, I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love
as a symbol of my love
and a sign of my promise.
and a sign of my promise. There.
That is the smoothest ring I've ever seen. Guys, it feels like a long time waiting to get to this point. And in a sense, this is the end of a journey. And yet, the beauty of it is that it's also the beginning of the rest of your lives. And so, for you who have come to witness this, your role in this, as they've put rings on and they've exchanged vows, your role is to uphold them and love them and push them to be better for each other. And your roles are to ruthlessly love each other. And so, Philip, Rebecca, by the power vested in me before God and all of these witnesses, it is my privilege and my honor to pronounce you man and wife. Philip, you may kiss your bride.
I have hair in my
Ladies and gentlemen, I now pronounce to you and present to you Mr. and Mrs. Philip Sanders.